Best fruits juices for diabetics patients and type 2 diabetics. For diabetics, blood sugar management is very important, and it can be achieved through diet by understanding the glycemic index. The glycemic index represents the effect in blood sugar rise stimulated by a specific food. All fruit juices stimulates a medium effect of blood sugar and represents an excellent source of B vitamins, vitamin C, potassium, phosphorus and magnesium. Diabetes causes high blood sugar, glucose, levels due to lack of insulin production or function. It is mainly classified as either type 1, in which the body fails to produce insulin, or type 2, in which the body is not able to properly use the insulin it produces. It is essential to control diabetes because it can lead to a host of health complications, including kidney failure, nerve damage, blindness, heart attacks, strokes, poor blood circulation, hearing loss and many more. Doctors will often advise their diabetic patients to avoid drinking sugary drinks, including fruit juice. In recent years, fruit juice manufacturers have responded to that admonition by producing lines of reduced sugar juices that are more appropriate for type 2 diabetics. Certain vegetable juices and pomegranate juice may actually be beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. If you have diabetes, check with your doctor prior to adding juice to your diet. You try any fruits juice, see that not to add sugar to it, as almost all fruits, juices contain moderate sugar level. This video will help you some fruits list which diabetics patients can use it in their daily diet. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is filled with antioxidants, substances that help protect your cells from environmental damage and reduce your likelihood of developing heart disease, cancer and other chronic diseases. Non-insulin dependent diabetics drank 1.7 ounces of pomegranate juice daily for 3 months. Although pomegranate juice contains sugar, the patients in the RISRAC did not experience increases in their glucose, or blood sugar levels. It has a low glycemic index and medium glycemic load, which means that it has a moderate effect on blood sugar levels. So it is safe to have pomegranate juice but without adding sugar. Tomato juice. Drinking tomato juice may improve the cardiovascular health of patients with type 2 diabetes. Patients with type 2 diabetes who supplemented with tomato juice over a 3-week period experienced improvement in their blood platelet activity, reducing their risk of developing heart disease. Unsweetened tomato juice has a low glycemic index and glycemic load, so it has only a modest effect on blood sugar. Black plums. Black plums, also known as jambul or jamun, can help a lot in controlling blood sugar. The presence of anthocyanins, ellagic acid and hydrolysable tannins in black plums makes this fruit extremely beneficial for diabetic people. The fruit helps control the conversion of carbohydrates into blood sugar. The excessive thirst and frequent urination problems common among diabetic people can also be controlled by this fruit. Along with the fruit, the leaves, berry and seeds of the black plum tree can be used to control blood sugar level. Half cup of black plums daily is recommended, when the fruit is available in the market. You can also make a powder of dried seeds and eat 1 teaspoon of the powder with water twice a day. Guava. Guava has a high concentration of lycopene, a high amount of dietary fiber and a good amount of vitamin C and potassium. All these nutrients are helpful in maintaining the blood sugar level. Those who are at a risk of developing diabetes can help prevent it by drinking guava leaf tea. Dry the guava leaves and crush them. Boil 1 tablespoon of crushed guava leaves in hot water. Let it steep for 5 minutes, and then strain it. Drink this tea once daily. Eat 1 whole or sliced guava without the peel daily. Alternatively, you can drink a small glass of guava juice. Orange juice. Citrus fruits. Orange juice is the best nutritious way for a diabetic to start his day as it is anti-inflammatory, filled with vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B1, coenzyme necessary for energy production, folic acid, best for red blood cells, muscle contraction. Orange juice also provides a healthy option for those with diabetes. It has a low glycemic index and moderate glycemic load, so it won't cause harmful blood sugar spikes. Antioxidant levels also protect your tissues from oxidative damage, because this damage plays a role in complications as a result of diabetes. Consuming vitamin C rich foods might offer some health benefits. Diabetics patients should limit the amount of orange juice to less than 1 cup per day to avoid hyperglycemic overloads. We can also use lemon or lime juice and zest to your water to add flavor and help you drink enough water throughout the day. Apple juice. Best apple juice is low in glycemic index than orange juice. It provides less vitamin but it is high manganese. Both apples and apple juice may help lower your risk for certain types of cancer too, but it is not best juice choice for people with diabetes. Apples may have the opposite effect, perhaps because of their higher fiber and phytochemical content, so it is better to avoid. If you like it, try to have 1 apple a day, which would be okay. Pears. Pears are rich in vitamins A, B1, B2, C and E as well as fiber, which help regulate blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol, boost the immune system and improve digestive health. Plus, pears are low in carbohydrates and calories, and have a rating of 38 on the glycemic index. Pears are particularly beneficial for people who have type 2 diabetes because they help improve insulin sensitivity. When craving something sweet, diabetics can eat a small or medium-sized pear. You can enjoy a pear for dessert or as a sweet snack. Non-vegetarian. Best lean, unprocessed meats do not contain any sugar. Beef, chicken, lamb, pork, veal, rabbit, turkey, salmon and tuna are completely sugar-free, and you can prepare appetizing meals with them without adding any sugar. Steer clear of processed or canned meats such as bacon, cured ham, chorizo, pancetta and sausage, as they can have sugar added to act as a preservative. Purchasing a juicer allows you to have total control over the ingredients in your daily fruit or vegetable juice. All you need to create delicious juices for your optimum health. Limited blood sugar levels juices including carrot, cauliflower, broccoli, cucumber, licorice root. Vegetarian. Non-starchy vegetables have fractional amounts of natural fructose, less than a gram of sugar per 50-gram serving. Starchy vegetables, such as sweet potatoes and pumpkins, have a higher sugar content. The best vegetable options include avocados, artichokes, asparagus, beets, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, celery, cucumbers, eggplant, collard greens, kale, lettuce, turnips, parsnips, mushrooms, radishes, tomatoes and squash. It is good to have fresh vegetables. Eliminating sugar from your diet can significantly improve both your health and the state of your waistline. While many foods have small amounts of naturally occurring sugar, you can avoid anything that has added sugar, or that is very high in natural sugars, such as dried fruit and fruit juice. Avoiding processed foods makes cutting sugar out of your life much easier. Dairy products. Natural unflavored dairy foods are free from added sugar as milk and milk products contain lactose. Dairy products are high in protein, meaning that small servings are filling and can keep you satisfied for long periods. Choose milk, cheese and yogurt that has no added fruits or other ingredients. Nuts. Nuts and oils are also sugar-free and can be used in a versatile range of foods. Nuts such as almonds, hazelnuts, walnuts, Brazil nuts and macadamias are high in polyunsaturated fats, making them a satisfying and healthy snack. Unsalted nuts are best to eat for diabetics patients. Coconut oil, olive oil and nuts oil are flavorful and healthy. You can use them to cook meats, vegetables, add flavor to salads or replace dipping sauces. Bananas. Banana contains a low amount of sugar, can be safely eaten if you are sensitive to sorbitol or mannitol. But important is not to eat than one piece of bananas fruits. Eating too many at once can result in a high enough dose of sugar alcohol to induce unpleasant symptoms like abdominal pain, bloating, flatulences and diarrhea in sensitive people. Blueberries and strawberries. In place of eating blackberries, which are high in sorbitol, choose blueberries and strawberries. They are delicious in your morning breakfast cereals or oatmeal, in yogurt, smoothies or on their own. You can also dip strawberries in melted dark chocolate for a quick and satisfying low sugar alcohol dessert. Kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruit is a good choice for your low sugar alcohol diet. Add a few slices to a fruit salad to add color, or simply slice your kiwi fruit in half and scoop out the fruit with a spoon for a quick snack on the go. Hot weather means lots of juices, some cold and chill, and diabetes patients always suffer. Now, not to suffer, have above give fruits under your doctor guidance and stay happy. Making healthy food and drink choices is key to managing diabetes. Fruits and vegetables have a good mix of soluble and insoluble fiber, which is good for your bowels and general health.